Hello everyone, today we are going to do SQLZOO SQL tutorial. It's a great learning tool for SQL. In this video we will do select pages and quiz of this select pages, and we will go all over this website. First we have a database with name, continent, area, population and GDP of the countries. In the first exercise it wants us to show the population of Germany, and it says this is the query that shows the population of France. It selects the population from this table where the name is France and we want the name is Germany, so let's submit it. It's correct. We can check the word with in. It makes us to pick names with which are in this list. For example, this query gets Brazil, Russia, India, and China, and we want to get Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. So take this, paste here, put this here, and we get Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. And name of and population of them. In the third exercise, we have to use between. That allows us to check the range. In this example, it gets the area between 250,000 and 300,000, and we have to find between 200,000 and 250,000. So let's modify it like this. It wants array, right? Yes, and it gets the name and array of the countries which have this condition. So that was a short part. In the quiz, it asks us to pick the query that produces this table. We have name and population, and we will use a condition about their population. First we need to use select, not from. It goes, this can't be the result, this can't be, this can't be, and this can't be. So this is the result, only looking at the select. But let's see what is the code. It selected name and population in here, where population between it's 1 million and 250,000. So that's the correct query. In second question, it asks us to find which table does this give. The like keyword use like the regex code. It says it starts with L, and I don't care about the rest. But it should be start with AL. So let's see, and we selected name and population, so it can't be this, and their population will not be 0. It's not this. Its name is not that. It's Albania and Algeria, so it can't be this. Table B. So we have these two, and it had to pick Algeria as well because it starts with AL2, so it's table E. In the third question, we need to select the code which shows the countries that end in A or L. So we should write it start with A, and we should write it end with L. But we have or. Sorry, that end in A or L. It should end with A or end with L. Don't start with A. This can't be the true one. It says starts with A or starts with L. It can be the result. It says and, it should be or. So this can't be the result. It says starts with L. This can't be the result. So the result is this. It asks what this query produces. Let's see. It selects name and length of the name from world where length of the name equals to 5 and region equals to Europe. Benin, Libya, and Egypt is not from Europe, so it can't be this. Italy, Egypt. Egypt is not in Europe, so it can't be this also. Italy, Malta, Spain. It can be this. Let's pick this. Italy, France, Spain. It's true, but France's length is 6, but it wants to length 5. So it can't be D also. For E, all are length 6, so correct result is C. In fifth question, we have to pick the results. Select name and double of area from world where population equal to 64,000. Let's see, it's Andorra, and double area is 936. So it's this. Select the code that would show the countries with an area larger than 50,000 and population smaller than 10 million. Okay, it should be the population is smaller than 10 million. It can't be B, it can't be D or E, it's A or C, and area larger than 50,000, so it's C. Select the code that shows population density of China, Australia, Nigeria, and France. We should use in operator for that. China, Australia, Nigeria, France. Population density is population divided by area, not this. So it can't be A, it can't be B also because it should be population divided by area. It is C or D, it's not asking population. So look at these two. We don't use like, we use in. We use like when we have something like where is it? Something like this. If we have a name like they start with AS. If we have this notation, we use like. If we have a list to pick in, we use in. So let's control our results. All of them are correct. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will look at the select from word tutorial and its quiz. This one is much longer, so it will be a longer video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.